Now we are going to study about alums. The name alum is given to the double salt of potassium aluminium phosphate, that is K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 thrice dot 24H2O. Nowadays it is used for all the double salts with M12SO4 dot M22SO4 thrice dot 24H2O or M prime 2 SO4 dot M double prime 2 SO4 thrice dot 24H2O, where M prime is a univalent metal ion or ammonium ion and M double prime is a trivalent metal ion. Examples: potash alum K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 thrice dot 24H2O. Second one, sodium alum Na2SO4 dot Al2SO4 thrice dot 24H2O. Third one, ammonium alum NH4 twice SO4 dot Al2SO4 thrice dot 24H2O. Chrome alum K2SO4 dot Cr2SO4 thrice dot 24H2O. Alum in general are more soluble in hot water than in cold water, and in solutions they exhibit the properties of constituent ions. Preparation: the alunite, the alum stone, is the naturally occurring form and it is K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 thrice dot 4AlOH thrice. When alum stone is treated with excess of sulfuric acid, the aluminium hydroxide is converted to aluminium sulfate. A calculated quantity of potassium sulfate is added and the solution is crystallized to generate potash alum. It is purified by recrystallization. K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 thrice dot 4AlOH thrice plus 6H2SO4 gives K2SO4 plus 3Al2SO4 thrice plus 12H2O. Second step equation is K2SO4 plus Al2SO4 thrice plus 24H2O gives K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 thrice dot 24H2O. Properties: potash alum is a white crystalline solid. It is soluble in water and insoluble in alcohol. The aqueous solution is acidic due to the hydrolysis of aluminium sulfate. It melts at 365 Kelvin on heating. At 475 Kelvin, loses water of hydration and swells up. The swollen mass is known as burnt alum. Heating to red hot, it decomposes into potassium sulfate, alumina and sulfur trioxide. K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 thrice dot 24H2O gives 500 Kelvin. K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 thrice plus 24H2O. The second step equation, K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 thrice heating red hot, K2SO4 plus Al2O3 plus 3SO3. Potash alum forms aluminium hydroxide when treated with ammonium hydroxide. K2SO4 dot Al2SO4 thrice dot 24H2O plus 6NH4OH gives K2SO4 plus 3NH4 twice SO4 plus 24H2O plus 2AlOH thrice. Uses of alum: it is used for purification of water. It is also used for water proofing and textiles. Third, it is used in dyeing, paper and leather tanning industries. Fourth one, it is employed as a styptic agent to arrest bleeding. These all are about alums and their example, preparation properties and uses of alums, that is potash alum. Thanks for watching this. Take care. Bye bye.